Hi friends, if you want to make a great portfolio website for you or for your agency, this video is for you. Today I have Elston portfolio for freelancer and agencies WordPress theme, and this theme has been specifically made for portfolio websites. The theme has been developed by Victor Themes and it was developed in 2017 only, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. It is a highly unique and interactive theme, and it makes a visually stunning and impactful WordPress website for creative and professional agency portfolio. Let us check the demo of this Elston theme. This is the demo website of Elston theme, and it has a very clear and stunning look with the left navigation menu, and it creates a wonderful impact while showing the portfolios. This is simple and very interactive. I'll show you the inner page as well. This is the inner page, and it is totally based on images and the details. It is simple and attractive, no doubt. So in this video we are going to install the Elston WordPress theme and a fresh installation of WordPress, and we will also import the demo content and see the theme options available in this theme. I have a fresh installation of WordPress and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have demo data, documentation, licensing, some plugins, and Elston main theme pack and child theme pack. Let us begin the installation. For this we need to go in the theme section of WordPress installation, add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose elston.zip file, and if you are having direct access on your hosting you can upload the same file in WP content themes folder. I'm doing the same. It will save some time, and theme size is very less. It is the lightweight theme. It is just 2.28 MB in size, and once the progress bar turns green you can come back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Elston folder in which we got all the theme components, folders and files. So both activities of uploading the theme either from this interface, I mean directly on the server, or from WordPress interface, both activities are same. Don't get confused. You can choose any one. I have chosen the server. You can upload from here as well, and go to the theme section again, and now we have Elston as another theme option. Let us check the detail. This is Elston version 1.8, a minimalistic WordPress theme for portfolio. Activate it. And upon activation we got an alert to install the necessary plugin. Let us check what plugins are required. These are four plugins required for running this theme, and all are required in fact. So this theme uses very less number of plugins. It is good thing that the theme size is also small, lightweight theme, and it is having less dependency on external plugins. That means this theme is going to be successful in long-term impact as well. I am installing all the plugins in one go. If you are not confident about your server capacity, install the plugins one by one, and all plugins has been installed. Now activate all plugins. Now since we have installed all the plugins and theme itself, we can take a look of our website. This is the basic look of website without any demo content, and it is fine in working, and it is of course without any demo content. This is why it is not showing any data. And now at this stage we need to have some demo content on the website, so that we may get, I'll show you the theme options as well after the demo installation. I'm looking for the demo importer if it is available with the theme. Otherwise, yes, it is under install demos. Under appearance there is a link called install demo, and we can choose to import all content, widget or theme options. We have to select all as we are installing this theme very first time. Just click on import data, demo data, and it is all done in seconds. So all done, have fun is here. So now we can check our website again. And yes, it is here, and all the demo content is here, and the original images as shown in the theme demo website is not being provided by the developer, but it does not matter. Ultimately we have to use our own images, so website is fine to go, and it is working very fine, no doubt. And all features and functions are here. Design, arts, branding, and all categorization and filtration of the demo, portfolio item is here, and this theme has been successfully installed without any trouble. So there is no reason of not choosing this theme for your portfolio website, and it is working very fine and fast. Now I'll show you the theme options available in the installation. Let us check the theme options. This is Elston options, and the options we have brand, in which you can set the logo and favicon, layout, general, sidebar. In the sidebar you can put the contact info, footer, design, colors, portfolio, blog, advanced and miscellaneous. So all things and the theme is fully dependent on the portfolio. These are the portfolio items, and from here you can add the portfolio, which will be directly displayed on the home page, that means on the front page, and you can simply put the portfolio by clicking on add new. This is the portfolio upload interface, and you can simply edit the portfolio details here, and link can be placed here, and link text can be placed, and these are the detail options. You can put the details of portfolio here, and it is very simple to use. Even a non-technical person can do this. So the theme does not require any further customization except these major options, and all rest of things are common as in WordPress, and the website is good to go for putting the original content. And outcome website is here, which is very clear and fast in working. If you have any question regarding this theme, you can simply write in the comment of this video, and I am also giving the link of my website in the description of this video, where you can get this theme, and even you can interact with me directly for further support. And I assume you have already subscribed this channel. If not, please ring the bell and subscribe the channel. I am going to bring wonderful themes, plugins and utilities for you. Thanks for watching.